know, I like to think I live in one of the most beautiful places in the world, but this is insane.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", blowing kush smoke out the window.
We're in the Dolomites. This is one of my favorite places in the world to snowboard. And today we're gonna try to ride around this entire mountain behind me. We're gonna go from valley to valley. It's gonna take the whole day. We've got the whole gang. We're linked up with a bunch of Cardo systems, and it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, nice. I think we dropped on here.
Yeah, cool.
Mike!
Yeah?
Oh, I don't have to shout
Dropping in there on your right.
Forget that I don't have to shout.
Definitely don't have to shout, bro.
I'm glad I got that on video. That's like the perfect ad for this thing. I don't even have to talk about it anymore. That's the video done.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, boys.
So sick.
That's so rad.
Dude, when has riding ever been so social? Social fun. Dude, this ride, look at the mountains on the right.
So good. Look up there.
Oh goodness. Dude, that's so crazy. That's unreal.
Going up.
Whoa, that's sick. There is an insane inversion layer behind me. So basically I'm gonna follow Michael down the slope using the anamorphic filter. We're gonna coordinate the shot using the Cardo system. Game changer. I kind of wish I had this years ago, just filming athletes and people around you. You can just chat to each other instead of having to shout down the mountain, tell somebody to slow down, move to left, right. Starting to clear, we should get going. We should get the shot.
Cool, we're rolling.
Yeah, we're gonna do one here by the pylon. Okay. All right. In 3, 2, 1. Dude, that was so sick. We're gonna go there. Same spot again. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Ready? Got you. Yeah, ready? All right, we're carving in. Yeah. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was unreal. Wow. Yeah, behind. Blow up. Yeah, on your left. Another one? Yeah, go for it. Okay, just here. 3, 2. Oh, that was so epic.
Nice, dude. That was unreal.
Right. Yes, bro. That was sick.
Dude, I think we nailed it.
Oh my goodness, where are we now? Okay, we are here. Ridiculous. It just keeps going and going and going. Unreal. I'll tell you what, not the worst view to have pizza. We're having a quick lunch break, but we're only halfway, so we better get to move on if we want to make it back in time. Also, I think we need to find some jumps to hit.
So where are the jumps, did you say?
There, just these mounts. There's little kickers there. These last two. So it's like 2 rail hits, 2 jump hits, it seems. Hey, let's all go through the terrain park. Greg, I'll give you the max, and we all try to hit the jump together.
Okay, cool.
Try to get one shot with the max. I reckon we'll get it.
Yeah, it's standard boys.
Alright, we're about 80, almost 90% of the way. We've got an hour and a half left before the lifts close. The light. Look at this actually. We just went around this entire mountain. Unreal, team.
Unreal. Look at that.
So sick.
Dropping. Follow me, great. Okay. Together.
Yeah,
alright.
got you.
Get this little side. Oh, it's so beautiful right now. Look at this.
Oh, that looks so sick with the backdrop of the mountain. Holy crap.
Oh, Greg, do a little follow down there. Yeah?
I'm on your right.
Okay, let's go. Oh, the lighting, guys. Oh, so sick. Yeah. Yes, boys, what a day. Unreal. Can you run it back?
So I got to give a massive shout out to Cardo for sponsoring and making this video possible. It's been a game changer, just being able to ride with music and talk to your friends at the same time.
Yeah, thank you, Cardo. It's actually been so much fun. Like, we just give it to a couple friends of ours, have fun on the mountain, listen to music, talk to each other. Yeah, it's a whole different experience in snowboarding.
Yeah, it just makes the riding experience more social. Usually this is the social element when you're on the mountain, just on the chairlift, but now be able to ride, chat with your friends.
See features to hit, like see side hits, like talk bullshit. It's just, yeah, it's so much fun.
No one gets lost in the mountains anymore. If
No.
you want to change plans, you can just tell everyone and it's super quick and easy. Dude, it's one of those things where like, you don't know that you need it until you try it.
Yeah, you don't expect it to be this nice
Yeah.
when you're actually using it, but it's actually super sick.
And the music audio quality is unreal, but then again, wouldn't expect anything less from JBL sound. So yeah, that's a wrap.